Hi everyone, good afternoon. It's nice to see you all again. I hope your week's been going well.
Hi Valen, yeah, doing good, thanks. Busy but can't complain, so thanks for arranging this call.
Hi all, always a pleasure to meet with fresh. How's the cafe business lately?
It's been hectic. We had a big spike in weekend orders. Guess people are finally going out more.
Yeah, especially with the weather improving. Anyway, let's jump into thanks for joining today's negotiation session. And as you know, we're reviewing the supplier contract for the next cycle and hope we can find a win-win deal.
Yes, absolutely, and we appreciate working with you so far, and we are open to adjustment as long as both sides are happy.
We understand there's been some cost pressure on your end.
Yes, costs across the board have gone up, and we're trying to keep our pricing competitive for customer without compromising quality. We've been reviewing all vendor contracts, and you're one of our top three suppliers, so naturally, we'd like to optimize things for the long run.
Let's start with pricing. In the last contract, we were paying IDR 50,000 per unit for your premium organic produce. We're wondering if you could offer a 10% discount, especially if we commit to a longer term partnership.
Okay, so 10% is quite a stretch, and our own cost of goods has risen due to climate impacts and packaging improvements. So maybe we could offer you 5%, especially if you are planning to scale up the volume.
Or we could look at bundling like combining certain items to bulk shipment to save on logistics.
I see. What if we commit to a minimum order of 250 units per month for the next 6 months? Could that help justify a bigger discount?
Yes, that does help, and with that kind of commitment, we might be able to stretch to 7%, especially if payment term remain at 30 days.
Actually, we were hoping to extend payment term to 45 days just to give us some flexibility during the off-peak months.
Oh, 45 days might be risky on our end, especially with cash flow being tighter this quarter.
So how about we meet halfway, 37 days payment term, and we waive late fees for up to 3 days after that?
Fitri?
That sounds workable as long as there are written grace period in the contract. We have occasional payment processing delays, but we always follow through.
Now, about deliveries, you previously request weekly deliveries, but with the new quantity, we are considering bi-weekly. That help us to consolidate shipment and reduce carbon footprint.
Makes sense, but would the freshness still hold up if it's every 2 weeks?
Yes, we improve our eco packaging to keep product fresh for up to 60 days, and we will include proper handling instruction.
Great. And what about delivery fees? Will they increase with fewer but larger shipments?
Actually, no, bulk deliveries reduce our overhead. If anything, it's more cost effective.
We really appreciate your quality so far. Just a quick note, we had one instance last month where a bath of kale was slightly wilt. It wasn't a huge issue, but we'd love to know how such a complaint will be handled in the new agreement.
Okay, so thank you for the feedback. So our new contract will include a 24-hour quality complaint. Because if you report issues within that window, and we will offer either a refund or replacement in the next 6 months.
We've also added a tracking system that timestamps every shipment, so we can trace any cold chain issues more accurately.
Okay, perfect. That definitely increases our confidence in your team. All right, let me just sum things up. Please let me know if I missed anything. Number one, 7% discount. Number two, commitment of 250 units per month for 6 months. Payment term 37 days with 3 days grace period. Number four, bi-weekly deliveries with improved freshness packaging. And number five, 24 hours complaint close and shipment tracking. Sounds correct?
Yes, that's correct on our side.
And we will also revise the contract and send it over by Friday afternoon. Please can you review it and confirm to us by next Monday?
Sure, that's work. I'll check with Liza soon we receive it.
Awesome. Thank you everyone for a smooth negotiation today. Really appreciate your flexibility and responsiveness.
Thank you too. Always a pleasure to work with your team.
And we are also looking forward to strengthening this partnership and hope you guys stay busy and successful.
Thank you, Miko, Sharon. Let's keep in touch, especially if there are promos in the future.
Okay, yes, we love a good promo. Take care everyone and talk soon.
Bye, take care.
Take care.